Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to disassemble the Canon 60D camera to remove the memory card PCB. Recently I had this camera which had problems with reading and writing the memory card. So I had to disassemble the camera, replace the memory card PCB with another one and then assemble the camera. In this video I show you how to disassemble the camera and remove the memory card PCB. If you're interested in an assembly video, then the link is in the description below. It is important to put back the screws where they originally came from. Let me share you a trick how I do it. I have a paper which is divided into sections and I name those sections by the sides of camera. And then I place the screws relative to each other. In this video you can see it, but I have another video about disassembly and assembly of a Canon 50D where I show you how to do it. The link is in the description below. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to disassemble the camera. I will use a Phillips 3.0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger and metal tweezers. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, there's an update section in the description. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the camera which will be disassembled and the SD memory card reader PCB will be removed. Remove the battery door, battery, eye cup and the rubber covers. Remove all the screws from the camera. In order to remove the back panel, we have to remove the plastic hinge cover. Lift up the back panel carefully, disconnect the flex cable, then remove the back panel. Use a plastic spudger to remove the front cover. On the bottom of the camera, lift up the plastic cover around the tripod screw mount, then the cover can be removed. Remove the cables of the top panel. Remove the two screws which are holding the top panel. Release the two cables, disconnect the remaining cable, then remove the top panel. Disconnect the flat cables from the main PCB. Remove the screws from the PCB, then lift up the main PCB. Lift up the PCB a little bit, then disconnect the remaining cables on the other side. Remove the screws and the cable from the memory card reader PCB. Remove the cover. Disconnect the cable, then lift up the PCB. We finished removing the memory card reader PCB. Join me in the next video where I show you how to assemble the camera. Link in the description below. I hope this video was useful, helpful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time in my other videos.